What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Issues by Lund. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll karate chop your grandma in half. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around till the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got one riff that just repeats throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar tab or the free ebook, it is in the video description. So if you need either of those, the guitar tab or the Master the Guitar in 7 Days free ebook, you can find them in the video description once you get done with the video. So you need to know 3 chords for this song. First is going to be a G sharp minor. It's going to be, you're going to bar the 4th fret with your index finger, ring finger on 6 on the A, and pinky finger on 6 on the D. Then move that down to an F sharp major, bar the 2nd fret, ring finger on the A on the 4th fret, pinky finger on the A on the D on the 4th fret, and your middle finger on the G on the 3rd fret. And then an E major, which is 2nd fret A with your ring finger, 2nd fret D with your, or 2nd fret A with your middle finger, 2nd fret D with your ring finger, and index on the 1st fret of the G. And now the picking pattern is going to be E, A, G. So and on the E, you just wait twice as long before you start it all back over again. So E, A, G. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.